for coming while I'm washing my glasses, man.
Really?
Hello everybody, welcome to the party. Please subscribe and click the notification bell to join the party! I'll do that again because I went a bit froggy. So you want me to go properly now then, do you?
So you're not going to put the quite high in your lap?
Oh, what was it? It was this one, it was what I done the other day.
We are actually recording, you know.
Yeah, that's alright.
You were cappuccinoed.
Each month. Yeah!
Anything else you want to say?
Join the party! There are also other ways that you can. Ow!
Are you alright?
I just bit my tongue. Ow!
Right. Oh, at the back. That's worse at the back.
Oh! Obviously, I've got to fill up for my lunch then. Right. Beamer Dandy. Charity. Oh, I've got to try and calm my little words down a bit. I'm getting a bit overexcited.
You could.
Go excited. I love that.
That's good. Have you written into anything yet?
Oh, it's a little outro.
I mean, write a song.
Oh, rude man!
Well, sorry, why is it being a rude man? You're a musician and you've written something, so it's actually quite a normal question, isn't it?
Sorry, did you say was you speaking there?
It's quite a normal question. Oh, look, I've written this riff. Oh, have you written a song with it? How is that rude? It's a normal question. You being a musician and all.
Sorry, you still flapping? I think that's it. You're still recording, aren't you?
Obviously.
Oh, you're cool, you and Caitlin, aren't you? Oh dear. I feel like I need to have like something to like go cheers and neck back or something. That's why.